Hello students, good morning. In previous video we have seen the sexual reproduction in plant. See, for the sexual reproduction in plant, flower is the structural unit. What I say? The flower is structural unit of sexual reproduction in plant. It mainly consists of four floral whorls. We have already seen. Which are that four floral whorls? The whorls are, first one is the calyx, second one is the corolla, third one is the androecium, and fourth one is the gynoecium. See, in that androecium and gynoecium perform the actual process of reproduction. Therefore, these two are called as essential floral whorls. Okay, and the calyx and corolla perform the function of protection. They give protection to the inner part of the flower. Therefore, these two are called as accessory floral whorls. Okay. See, there are the two main important part in sexual reproduction of flower is the androecium and gynoecium. See, and it mainly consists of three processes. Which three processes? First one is the pollination, second one is the fertilization, and third one is the seed germination. In that, the process of pollination we have already seen. Means just definition we have seen. Actual process we will studied in this video. See, in sexual reproduction of plant there are mainly three processes. First one is the pollination, second one is the fertilization, and third one is the seed germination. Seed germination. ओके, म्हणजे काय म्हणायचं याला मराठीत? पॉलिनेशन म्हणजे परागीभवन, फर्टिलायझेशन म्हणजे फलन, आणि तिसरं सीड जर्मिनेशन म्हणजे बीजांकुरण. ओके, अशा पद्धतीनं दी सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट मेनली कन्सिस्ट ऑफ थ्री प्रोसेसेस. First one is the pollination, second one is the fertilization, and third one is the seed germination. See, we are studied in this video these three processes one by one. See, first one is the what is pollination? Pollination means when the pollen grains from anther transfer to the stigma, that process is called as pollination. What I say? The pollen grains from anther, we have already seen that part. Anther and pollen tube, these two parts is कोणाचे आहेत हे two parts? तर these are two parts of a androecium. Okay, and gynoecium mainly consists of three parts. Gynoecium consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Okay, see, what is the pollination? Pollination means when the pollen grain from anther transfer to stigma of gynoecium, this process is known as pollination. See, this pollination process is occur with the help of two agents. Which two agents? First one is the abiotic agent and second one is the biotic agent. The abiotic agents are wind and water. Wind and water. With the help of these two abiotic agents, pollination takes place. And which are the biotic agents? The biotic agents are some insects and animals. Some insects and animals. With the help of these four things, the process of pollination in flower occurs. See the definition once again. I tell you, the pollination means when pollen from anther transfers to stigma, that process is known as pollination. See what actual happen in a pollination and fertilization. The another process is the fertilization. How the fertilization occur? See, fertilization occur in the ovary. First of all, what happen here? Stigma. See here, this is a gynoecium. Okay, it is a female part. It mainly consists of three parts. It consists of stigma, it consists of style, and it consists of ovary. पहा, जायांग याचे 3 भाग असतात, स्टिग्मा, स्टाईल आणि ओव्हरी. यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं, कुक्षी, कुक्षिवृंत आणि अंडाशय. या ओव्हरीमध्ये द ॲक्च्युअल प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलायझेशन इज टेक्स प्लेस. हाऊ इट इज टेक्स प्लेस? सी, फर्स्ट इज द स्टिग्मा बिकम स्टिकी when the pollination happen or during the pollination stigma is a sticky. The pollen germinates when they fall upon this sticky stigma and it form male gamete and pollen tube. What I say? See, first stigma is a sticky. On that sticky stigma pollens are fall and they germinate, and after germination they form male gamete and pollen tube. See, in here in a blue dots, these are 2 male gametes, okay, and pollen tube. These pollen tubes become, sorry, these the pollen tube carries this male gamete through the style, and the pollen tube reaches the embryo sac. See, this pollen tube consists of these male gamete. What happen here? This pollen tube carries these male gamete and transfer in the embryo sac. This embryo sac through the style. What happen here? The tip of pollen tube and 2 male gamete, here is the actual fertilization takes place. पहा, याच्यामध्ये काय होतं तर मेल गॅमेट म्हणजे कोण? पुयुग्मक. पोलन ट्यूब म्हणजे काय? परागनलिका. ही परागनलिका काय करते? परागनलिका काय करते? एम्ब्रियो सॅक म्हणजे हा भ्रूणकोश आहे, ती परागनलिका, दिस पोलन ट्यूब कॅरी दिस मेल गॅमेट थ्रू दी स्टाईल, ओके, अँड रिचेस इन दी एम्ब्रियो सॅक. या एम्ब्रियो सॅकमध्ये म्हणजे भ्रूणकोशामध्ये ते मेल गॅमेट ही पोलन ट्यूब काय करते? पोहोचवते. आणि हिअर इज दी ओव्ह्यूल्स. दीज ओव्ह्यूल्स मीन्स याला काय म्हटलं जातं? बीजांड म्हटलं जातं. दीज ओव्ह्यूल बस्ट अँड इट बिकम फ्यूज विथ दी मेल गॅमेट. सी व्हॉट ॲक्च्युअल हॅपन इन फर्टिलायझेशन. हिअर इज दी 2 male gamete, okay, 1 male gamete is fused with egg cell. See here, एक पुयुग्मक अंडपेशी बरोबर काय होतो? संयोग पावतो आणि तिथं युग्मनजाची निर्मिती होते. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन ॲज फर्टिलायझेशन. व्हॉट आय से? व्हेन 1 male gamete is fused with egg cell, 1 male gamete fuse with egg cell, there is a formation of zygote takes place. See, 1 male gamete fuse with egg cell. You can see in the diagram, here is the male gamete, here is the egg cell. These two are fused and form zygote. This process is known as fertilization, okay, and another male gamete is fused with polar nuclei to form endosperm. Another male gamete is fused with, here is the 2 pollen grains, sorry, polar nuclei, pollen grains nahi, sorry, 2 polar nuclei and form endosperm. This process is known as double fertilization. Why this process is known as double fertilization? Because in this process the 2 male nuclei participate, okay, therefore this process is known as double fertilization. After some times the ovule developed to form seed and the ovary developed into fruit, and where the favorable conditions are occur, the fruit becomes breaks up and it germinate in the soil. This process is known as seed germination. पहा, मी काय सांगितलं तर या ठिकाणी 2 पुयुग्मक असतात. एक काय करतो? अंडपेशी बरोबर संयोग पाहून युग्मनज तयार करतो त्याला झायगोट असं म्हटलं जातं. इट इज नोन ॲज फर्टिलायझेशन. ओके. अँड अनादर मेल गॅमेट इज फ्यूज विथ पोलर न्यूक्लियाय. मीन्स ध्रुवीय केंद्रकांबरोबर दुसरं पुयुग्म काय होतं, संयोग पावतं. अँड इट फॉर्म एंडोस्पर्म. मीन्स इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज भ्रूणपोष. याला काय म्हटलं जातं, भ्रूणपोष. अँड द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज double fertilization. Why? In this process two male gamete participate, or two male nuclei from two male gamete participate. Therefore the process is known as double fertilization. After fertilization, what happened there? The seed germination. What actually happen in the seed germination? In a seed germination, ovules develop into seeds. See here, these ovules means bijanda, and these ovules develop into seed. बिजांडाचं रूपांतर कशामध्ये होतं, बीजामध्ये होतं. अँड ओव्हरी डेव्हलप्ड इंटू फ्रूट. म्हणजे जे अंडाशय असतं त्याचं रूपांतर कशामध्ये होतं, फळामध्ये होतं. आफ्टर सम टाइम दॅट फ्रूट बिकम्स ब्रेक्स अप व्हेन फेवरेबल कंडिशन्स आर हॅपन ऑर ऑकर. द फ्रूट बिकम जर्मिनेट. जेव्हा आवश्यक अशा म्हणजे चांगल्या परिस्थितीमध्ये, जेव्हा पावसाळी परिस्थिती असतं, म्हणजे विथ द हेल्प ऑफ वॉटर. म्हणजे आला का इथं कुठला घटक आला इथं, अबायोटिक एजंट. ते फ्रूट काय होतं, जमिनीवर पडतं आणि जमिनीवर पडल्यानंतर ते फुटतं. फुटल्यानंतर त्याचं काय होतं, इट जर्मिनेट. म्हणजे त्याचं काय होतं, जर्मिनेशन. म्हणजे त्या प्रोसेसला काय म्हटलं जातं, सीड जर्मिनेशन. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज बीजांकुरण. इन दिस वे we have seen what is mean by pollination, what is the fertilization, and what is the seed germination. How the pollination occur, how the process of fertilization takes place, and what is the seed germination. This is known as asexual reproduction in plant. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.